Hello, what's up guys, this is me Srinjoy from Elementor Tech, and today we will be doing the unboxing of the Mi Router 3C made by Xiaomi. It was launched in India about a year ago and I couldn't find the time to buy it and try it out, but finally I bought it and here is the package. It has 4 antennas and a green light at the front. Let's check the back. It has 3-step speed boost test network, Wi-Fi security features. It also has an app by which you can control the Mi Router wirelessly from your mobile phone without much hassle, and you can just scan this QR code right here just to download the app. So the price mentioned here is, I don't know if you can read it, it's 1199, and that is the price exactly which Amazon took from me. So without further ado, let's unbox this router. Let's take this. Use my cracky hands to unbox this. Right out of the package, let's keep the box aside, and this is how the router looks. It's covered with a nice plastic for protection. Let's open up the plastic. It's quite slim, as you can see. It's about this slim and it's a bit thick here. It has perforated holes to cool it. It has 4 antennas which you can keep at 180-degree angle with each other. The best way to keep a router's antennas are one top and one like this, so it covers the entire 360 degrees of your room. So that's the best option, or you can do like this as well. So behind it has 3 ports. One, I believe, is the WAN port for the internet connection, and these 2 are the LAN ports, and this is the power cable which is provided in the box right here. So it's white color. It's got the Mi logo here, you can see, and some information guide, Mi Router 3C, and all these. This QR code is also here. So let's keep this aside and look what else is in the box. Inside the box you get this instruction manual. If you want, you can just go pause the video and go through it. I keep it aside. And let's check out what else is in the box. I open up the case and nothing's here. Here they again have the Mi app QR code. Scan the QR code, connect power and network cables and connect the Wi-Fi and open Mi app. It's quite simple as it seems. And here is the power adapter. It's covered in plastic yet again, so I'll use my unprofessional hands to open up the plastic. Oh god. Here is it. And this looks like this. It's white again. And this is the information if anybody wants it. Here it is. It's a 0.2 amp power adapter because this router doesn't use much power. Some features of this router is it has 64 MB of RAM, which is, according to them, almost 4 times as their competitors, so that's good. It can handle up to speeds of 300 Mbps, and it can also act as an Wi-Fi repeater, which you have to set up using the Mi app. So we will try that out and see how it goes. Thank you for watching the video, and we will do a separate video on how to start this router and how to set up this router. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.